In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw from Exness to Binance Pay. To begin, the first thing you need is your Binance USDT deposit address. Open Binance and go to the deposit section for USDT. Here, make sure you select the correct network, which in this case is TRC20. This part is very important because choosing the wrong network can cause delays or even loss of funds. Once you see the USDT TRC20 deposit address, copy it carefully so you can use it in Exness in the next steps. After that, head over to your Exness personal area and sign into your account. Make sure you are logging into the correct dashboard where your payment and account management options are available. If you have more than one trading account, it can also be helpful to quickly confirm which balance you want to withdraw from before moving ahead. Once you are inside your Exness personal area, find and click on the withdrawal option. This will take you to the list of available withdrawal methods. Since this transfer is going to Binance using USDT, look through the cryptocurrency options and select USDT from the list. This tells Exness that you want to make your withdrawal in Tether rather than using another payment method. Now you'll be asked to provide the destination wallet details. Paste the Binance USDT deposit address you copied earlier into the address field. Take a moment here to double check the address before continuing. Even a small mistake in a wallet address can send funds to the wrong place, so it's always worth verifying the first few and last few characters. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw. As you do this, pay attention to any minimum withdrawal limits, available balance, or fees shown on the screen. Once the amount looks correct, click Continue to move to the review stage. At this point, Exness will show you a summary of the transaction. Review everything carefully, including the selected cryptocurrency, the wallet address, and the withdrawal amount. This confirmation page is your final chance to catch any mistakes before the request is submitted. If all the details are correct, go ahead and confirm the transaction. After confirmation, Exness will begin processing your withdrawal. Depending on platform processing times and blockchain network activity, the transfer may take some time to appear in Binance, so be patient and monitor the status if needed. And that's how to withdraw from Exness to Binance Pay using USDT on the TRC20 network.